Hey there, computer science students. It's Mr. Kowalczyk with our very first lesson for at-home learning. I know that this is really weird, but I know that you're going to do your best. I'm going to try my best to make sure we're getting done what we need to get done at an acceptable pace. To get things going, I do hope that each and every one of you are safe and doing well. Today, there are a couple of things that we are going to accomplish. The very first thing I want to draw your attention to is our objective. And this objective is going to really help us focus over the next few days on what it is we're doing in activity 3.2.1. And our objective is students will be able to develop a program that solves a problem and generates understanding using both lists and elements. The cool thing is we have worked with lists before and we have been working with elements. We're going to take a program that hopefully we all have already created and we're going to update it using lists and elements to make it a little bit more powerful and useful. That program that we're going to use is problem 3.1.3. So first thing I want to draw your attention to after our objective is today's attendance question. Our attendance question today is to help us drive and focus our attention forward on our upcoming activity in 3.2.1. So I want you to answer that first. After you have that done, if you are not already completed with problem 3.1.3, let's get that done. The cool part is I have given you examples to use to help make sure that you're doing it correctly. Let's take a look at those examples right now. So over here in our Google Classrooms, if you go to our class, you will find as you scroll down, where are you? There it is, day 39. And I give you two different examples of code that you can look at and maybe make adjustments to your own code for problem 3.1.3. As we zoom in, yeah, it's going to be a little bit blurry, but I think you get the idea of what it is we're looking at here, all right? You can see that we're trying to create that combo menu. You know, would someone like a chicken, beef, or tofu sandwich is this person's example. Do you have to use tofu? Do you have to use chicken? Do you have to use beef? No, you don't. Once again, feel free to make this unique to who you are, as long as it's still a combo menu, all right? And if instead of tofu, you want to use pork, go ahead and use pork. That's fine. But the cool part is I give you both of these different examples of code so that you can make sure that your program is working properly in the Cloud9 software. So once again, if you don't have problem 3.3 done, let's turn that in and get that figured out by Thursday. Because on Thursday, we're going to move forward and we're going to use this code for our next assignment. All right? The other assignment that I'm giving you today is the 3.2.1 Concepts and Terminology online worksheet page. This is something I've been doing the last couple of weeks because I just want to reiterate the importance of the vocab that we're using to help us make sure that we're hitting these objectives for our different classes and our different assignments. So we know what a list is? Well, I hope. We know what an element is? Well, I hope. If not, hopefully these terminology pages can help review those over and over and over again. So what we've got is figure out the attendance question, do your best to turn in problem 3.1.3, and let's get this concepts and terminology online worksheet turned in and have this all figured out, all right? Thank you so much. I hope you're doing great. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I do plan on having a Google Hangout ready to go for our appointed class time on Tuesday. Thank you so much and have a great day.